Hello and welcome back to another lecture. In this lecture, we will create an IAM user with Programmatic Access, and Terraform will use this user to create resources in our AWS environment. To create an IAM user, in the Management Console, select Services, then come down to Security, Identity and Compliance, select IAM here, or you can search for it up here. I'll select IAM. On the IAM dashboard, the first thing we are going to do is create our user. Select Users here and select Add User. I'm going to give it a name. I'll call it Terraform User. And under AWS Access type, I'm going to select Programmatic Access. Select Next for permission. We are not going to attach any permissions to this user directly, but we are going to attach permissions to this user through a group. So once we create this user, we are going to create a group. We are going to put this user in that group and attach our permissions to the group. So I'm just going to click Next for tags. I'm not going to add any tag. Click Next to review. And on this page, it is telling you this user has no permissions. Yes, that's right. And click Create User. And we have created our user. The main thing that is important on this page is make sure you download your CSV file. So I'll click Download CSV. Or in case if you don't have Excel on your computer, make sure you copy your access key ID, and under Secret Access Key, you can select Show, copy it and save it somewhere. You are going to need this in the next lecture. So once you've done that, select Close. Following AWS best practice, we are going to create a group for this Terraform user. We will attach our permissions policy to that group, then we will put this user in that group. To create our group, select User Groups. We are going to select Create Group. Give your group a name. I'll call it Terraform Group. Then I'm going to scroll down. Under Add Users to Group, I'm going to select my Terraform user. And I'll scroll down. And under Attach Permissions Policy, I want to give this group administrative access. So I'm going to type it in here. Once you have typed it, press Enter. And under the results, select Administrator Access. Make sure it is checked. Then click Create Group. And that's all we need to do. So now we have created our Terraform group. And if I select that group, you can see our Terraform user in that group. This is all we need to do in this lecture to create a user for Terraform. Remember, the most important thing is make sure you have saved your access key ID and secret access key. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next lecture. Bye.